Hello everyone. Today we are going to study about the next part of unit number 3, that is conventional representation, from the subject MWM, that is mechanical working drawing. We have studied the conventional representation for material. We have studied conventional representation for different springs, lip spring, semi-elliptical lip spring, etc. Then how to represent threads, internal and external threads. Now in this lecture, see the representation of spur gear. In this slide, a representation for the gear have shown. It means for spur gear, how to representation, for bevel gear, for worm and worm wheel. Now we are going to study if you want to represent a spur gear, you should know first how the spur gear. See this diagram. Here different gears have shown. First of all, this is the spur gear. Here I am showing you the 3D view of gear. Spur gear, helical gear. These are different types of gear. Spur gear having straight teeth and helical gear having inclined teeth. Then spiral bevel gears, spur bevel gears, internal and external gears, pinion and rack, worm gears. Now see, the spur gears are used to transmit the different power from different shafts which are at small distance. Helical gear can be transmit more power than the spur gear. Then the bevel gear are used to transmit the power where the shaft position are perpendicular to each other. And in pinion gear, a rack gear is a straight gear having infinite diameter, and pinion is a small gear. So how to represent this? All these gears. Now see, this is the representation of gear. Whatever we have seen the spur gear, how we represented it. So spur gear can be represented like this way. A circle is there in a side view and a rectangle is there in a front view. Bevel gear, we know that there is angle. So representation is like this way. We have to remember all these things. Worm wheel. A wheel is there, circular wheel, and worm. Front view and side view. Just remember all these things and try to draw 2 to 3 times so that you will not face any problem. Fine. Now, these are some spring, cup spring, view section and simplified section, multi-cup spring, spiral spring. Spiral spring you have seen in different types of toys, children toys, or in your wristwatch, spiral type of spring. All these are the convention how to represent this spring, this spiral spring. Have number of applications in day-to-day life.